The Hummer H2 is a large, rugged SUV that gained popularity for its imposing presence and off-road capabilities. Produced by General Motors under the Hummer brand, the H2 was first introduced in 2002 and remained in production until 2009. Key features of the Hummer H2 include its bold and distinctive exterior design, characterized by a boxy shape, wide stance, and aggressive grille. The vehicle is often associated with military-style aesthetics, contributing to its unique and commanding presence on the road. Underneath its robust exterior, the H2 is built on a modified version of GM's full-size SUV platform, providing a solid foundation for both on-road and off-road performance. The H2 is equipped with a robust suspension system, high ground clearance, and four-wheel drive capabilities, making it well-suited for various terrains. In terms of power, the Hummer H2 typically comes with a V8 engine, delivering ample horsepower and torque. The interior is designed to provide a spacious and comfortable experience for occupants, with features such as leather upholstery, advanced infotainment systems, and optional luxury amenities. Despite its rugged appearance, the H2 is also equipped with modern safety features to ensure a secure driving experience. Over the years, the Hummer H2 has become an iconic symbol of rugged luxury, attracting enthusiasts who appreciate its unique combination of off-road prowess and upscale features. Please note that specific details about the Hummer H2 may vary depending on the model year and any modifications made to individual vehicles. If you have a specific model year or variant in mind, additional details can be provided for a more tailored description.